guys, it's Hope and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a Bahamas travel vlog. I'm really excited for this. We got here just a little bit ago, then we went to the grocery store and got some stuff, and then we went out to dinner, and now we're back in the room. I'm going to give you like a little house tour. It's a VRBO that we're staying in for a week, so I'll give you a tour of that later. But right now, we're about to go to the beach.
Yeah, of course.
Oh! You didn't get it.
Wow.
Oh, you got it.
That's
hook,
one way to do it.
I didn't think about it like that. Oh, good strategy.
Oh, wish you were this skilled.
Maybe we need to re-explain the rules to her.
Yeah, I don't think she gets it.
I'm gonna give you guys a little house tour of the VRBO we're staying at because it's kind of cool. This is the outside where we would come in from. That's where we parked the car. Anyways, you come in here and this is what you first see. So in here is a little half bathroom. It's really pretty with like this coral and stuff. And then you come out, you have our bags and keys hanging there, Reese's shoes, a little mirror, and then here's the laundry room so we can do laundry and stuff on the trip. And then over here is kind of like the living room and kitchen area, which is definitely very messy right now. So here's the kitchen. We did buy groceries and stuff so we can make food, and then there's like our dining table. And then here's the living room, and then here's the TV, which we're not gonna use tons, but we've been keeping the Olympics on because the Olympics are happening right now, which I'm really excited about. Anyways, and you can come over here, and this is my parents' room. So this is where they're staying, closet, their bathroom. Oh my gosh, I haven't been here yet. This is big. And then they also, curtains are closed right now, but they have a really pretty view of outside. Look at that ocean. Anyways, we're gonna come over here into this other side, where here is mine and Reese's room. We have a closet. This is the pull-up bed, which needs a key, so we didn't use it last time, but Reese wants to sleep in it because she doesn't like sleeping with me. Here's a little desk where I just put some of my stuff. Reese put some of her stuff too. There's our suitcase and some of Reese's stuff over there. And then our bed over here. Here's Jeremy's room, who is someone we're staying with, so this is where he is. And finally, here's our bathroom. So here's our shower, our toilet, our sink, and then another mirror. Oh my gosh, I was about to walk in and look what I found. Oh my gosh. I'm going to get ready for the day and then we'll go down to the beach. We had dinner and then we just got ice cream. date. So just for tonight, all the other nights we went to a restaurant or got food or something, but tonight we had a guy come and he's cooking for us. So we have like a chef for just this one night. So I'm excited to see what he makes. I just swam some laps in the ocean. Not really laps, but you know, I swam back and forth some. And I'm doing some more annotating for my summer homework.
Get on that. Really moving.
Our flight today is at 2, which means we're going to leave at around 12. But checkout from our VRBO is at 10. So what we ended up deciding we're going to do is we're just going to go down to the beach for the last 2 hours. And the VRBO owner said it was okay if we like stayed in the master bedroom and then we could like use the showers. So we'll just hang out at the beach and swim for like around an hour and then get ready to go. Time to head home. And that is the end of the video. I had so much fun on this trip and I really hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like it, then subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss a video. For a chance to get a shout out in the next one, share this video with one or more of your friends and let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye!